Arvind Kejriwal from walking out of Tihar jail. As per the lawyers of Arvind Kejriwal, the arrest was specifically made when they realized that enforcement directorate case cannot stand waters at least to keep Arvind Kejriwal behind the bar. CBI arrested him and ensured that even if he gets regular bail in enforcement directorate case, the CBI case still looms over him and he is behind the bar. This is what Abhishek Manu Singhvi is suggesting in the court. He is taking the court through the background, giving the important dates and details of how and what court verdicts are. He also mentions that the trial court has already given regular bail to Arvind Kejriwal that was stayed later on. So definitely things the way the lawyers for Arvind Kejriwal is going ahead, they want the bail to happen. And given that Manish Sisodia, Vijay Nair, K. Kavita have been granted bail in the same case in just last 2 to 3 weeks, what we are given to understand that Arvind Kejriwal's legal team right now are pressing for a bail today here at Aam Aadmi Party. And as I can show you, things are quite normal. As of now, leaders haven't come in, and there are only few office staff who are inside Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. But what we are given to understand that if the verdict comes in favor of Arvind Kejriwal, the senior leadership of Aam Aadmi Party will first come to Aam Aadmi Party and then see the further course of action, that when can the Chief Minister of Delhi walk out of Tihar jail. But all depends on Supreme Court now whether the verdict will be in favor of Arvind Kejriwal or not.
Well, that has been as far as what they have been expecting from the Supreme Court today, Tetri, because in the recent weeks, the courts have granted bail recently to Vijay Nair, who was Aam Aadmi Party's communication in charge at the time of his arrest. Arvind Kejriwal's aide, Bibak Kumar, as well. Month ago, former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who also walked out of jail, speaking about why the timing of if Arvind Kejriwal is granted bail today would be absolutely crucial.
Well, absolutely. As far as these alleged Delhi liquor policy scam case is concerned, then the big leaders who were arrested in this case, like Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, and for that matter K. Kavita as well, they all have been released, and along with Vijay Nair, yes. And today what Aam Aadmi Party is certainly expecting, that the decision will be in their favor, and then if Arvind Kejriwal walks out of Tihar jail, then they certainly have some major plans so as to what they will be doing next, because yes, Delhi is also going to witness election in few months from now. But yes, as far as the timing is concerned, then Aam Aadmi Party has always questioned the arrest of their leaders, because it was always close to the elections. So when is what the Aam Aadmi Party alleges, they have said that when they in fact arrest the leaders when the state is inching closer towards the elections, and that is the time when the agencies who work at the behest of the BJP, then the agencies arrest their leaders, say it be the convener or it be the former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, or it be Sanjay Singh. So that is why now they are saying that they are hopeful that now, since Delhi is going to witness elections, it could be that Arvind Kejriwal, if walks out of Tihar jail, then it will be certainly a big boost for the party workers,
as well, upcoming MCD elections and Delhi Assembly elections that are also lined up early next year. Senior advocate Bhavtosh also seems to be suggesting, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who's appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, as far as the CBI FIR is concerned, saying that he's not been named, and there is the ECIR that has been filed by the ED, and this is coming at a time when he was called by CBI for questioning, as many of those details that have been coming in, but it was later when in March he was arrested by the ED and not by the CBI. And that is the reason why today he seems to be challenging the arrest by the CBI that happened recently in June.
Yes, Amita, in fact, our legal editor, Harish, who is giving minute-by-minute update, what he has said is that Singhvi has, in fact, raised a very important point. What Singhvi has said is that while granting the interim bail in the ED case, the Supreme Court, a different bench headed by Sanjeev Khanna, that bench has slammed the manner in which the arrest has said, and the Supreme Court, I'm just quoting what the Supreme Court had said, that arrest cannot be made in an arbitrary manner on the whims and fancies of the authorities. Arrest cannot be made merely for the purpose of investigation. What Arvind Kejriwal had done, his counsels had done, is that they had questioned Section 45 and Section 19. That issue has been referred to the larger bench because because many petitioners have gone to the Supreme Court claiming that the most draconian aspect of PMLA is Section 45 and 19. That has been referred to a larger bench. But even while giving an interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal, the court had said the manner in which this arrest has been taken place is very arbitrary. We all know that on 21st March at around 7:30, the ED team officers had gone to his CM's residence, and then at around 9:05, he was arrested and then taken out of his house. But the CBI team went to Tihar jail. He was questioned in judicial custody, and then on 26 June, he was in fact placed under arrest. And then after 3 days of questioning, he was then sent to judicial custody. And that's what Manu Singhvi is highlighting, is that the whole idea of arresting him is to make sure that he does not come out of Tihar jail. This is the point that Abhishek Manu Singhvi is highlighting. But if we go by what the CBI has said that when he was in fact questioned both inside jail and during the custody, they have found sufficient evidence, and that evidence led them to filing a charge sheet, and they continue to maintain that Aam Aadmi Party had used around 45 crore rupees to fund its election campaign, and that Arvind Kejriwal had assured that around 90 lakh rupees would be given to all the candidates for the 40 constituencies during the Goa election campaign, very similar to what the Enforcement Directorate had said. And remember, Aam Aadmi Party is the only party in the country that has been named as an accused in a charge sheet that has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate in May.
Right, and Bhavtosh also talking about previously owing to merits in the case as far as the investigation that has been taking place, there has been some relief for Arvind Kejriwal that has come in the past by the very same courts as well.
Yes, Supreme Court has given him interim bail. So if bail is given today in the CBI case, so he can very well walk out by late tonight at around 9 p.m. But we have to wait and see what happens. We cannot preempt or prejudge what the court will decide. So very important day for Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, there would be elections in Haryana, and there is likelihood of an alliance between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. Delhi itself is going to polls next year, early next year. So all eyes on the order of Supreme Court. Arvind Kejriwal has said that this arrest is illegal. He in fact has challenged that also. Today in the Delhi High Court, there is a separate hearing that is going on where ED has challenged the trial court order in which regular bail has been given in the Enforcement Directorate case. So the legal matters are still going on. The Enforcement Directorate had said that the trial court that has given regular bail to Arvind Kejriwal in the money laundering case is they have challenged that. This was the bail that was given a few months back. So that has also been challenged. ED has challenged that, but Supreme Court has given him interim bail in that case. Senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi has said that this is an insurance arrest, that the arrest was done by CBI completely in an illegal manner. CBI has in fact filed a charge sheet against him. In the charge sheet, they have again said that there were kickbacks worth 100 crores were taken by Aam Aadmi Party, and then to recoup that money was in fact later illegally transferred into bank accounts of Arun Ramchandra Pillai, who is presently in judicial custody.
All right, but Rishabh, politically, the implications that may take place, of course, we cannot preempt. It is, as we speak, the hearing that has been taking place in the Supreme Court. But political implications over this case, because many leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party or someone who have also been associated in the case from different parties have also been granted bail or they have been given relief. Political implications, if we can talk about.
Well, definitely. See, Delhi goes into polls in February next year, which is around 5 months from now. And with Arvind Kejriwal behind the bar, the Aam Aadmi Party's strategy for these elections would be different. But if Arvind Kejriwal walks out, the strategy will completely be different. Remember, be it 2014, for that matter, be it 2013 election, 2015 election, or 2020 election, Aam Aadmi Party's face has been Arvind Kejriwal, and none of us have forgotten that this happens to be the new office, the old office on the roof of it. effect in 2020 elections after the counting, the way Arvind Kejriwal interacted with the supporters. That is something that Arvind Kejriwal and his party would like to do in these elections as well. And for that, Arvind Kejriwal desperately needs to come out. If we talk about political implication, if Arvind Kejriwal doesn't come out, then the strategy would be again made around Arvind Kejriwal, but behind the bar. And that is something that is also being prepared. That strategy is also being prepared by Aam Aadmi Party in case Arvind Kejriwal does not have the fate as Manish Sisodia, who is now out on bail. As of now, Manish Sisodia has not taken any party position or governmental position, but he happens to be the senior leader. The cabinet meetings, unofficial cabinet meetings, are taking at his place. The senior leadership of Aam Aadmi Party is visiting his place to discuss the road forward. Haryana elections are around the corner. There are talks between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress for that as well. Arvind Kejriwal's presence in Haryana is also fruitful for Aam Aadmi Party. So definitely, whatever the verdict today comes out from Supreme Court, that will have political implications, be it in Haryana, be it in upcoming elections of Delhi, or the way MCD is functioning. All these will depend on this verdict today. So that is something. And if we talk about the opposition, the BJP in this case, BJP is looking at it as closely as Aam Aadmi Party, because Arvind Kejriwal's release or continuation in jail affect their strategy as well. If he comes out on regular bail and start campaigning for the party, the strategy would be different. If he's behind the bar, we have
well,
seen
of course,
how,
when it comes to the upcoming elections in the state of Haryana, that is less than a month away from now. But strategically, if we talk about when it comes to the party leadership, Tetri, there needs to be a certain streamlining, because as far as what we've been hearing on part of the opposition, BJP in Delhi as well, they have been seeking that going and meeting with the president, saying that there is constitutional crisis in the national capital because the chief minister is in jail.
Times when the BJP asked for Arvind Kejriwal's resignation, and since the day Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, Aam Aadmi Party and their leaders have been very much adamant on the fact that no matter what, Arvind Kejriwal will remain to be the chief minister, and he will be only the chief minister. There will be no change in the hierarchy, there will be no change in the leadership, and we have seen that as far as the hierarchy is concerned, after Manish Sisodia walked out of Tihar jail, after he was released on bail, then at that point of time also, though Manish Sisodia do not hold any official position apart from being an MLA in the party, he is still the number 2 in Aam Aadmi Party in making decisions. But yes, as far as
the hearing that is still taking place, we'll keep updating our viewers on the live updates coming in. And biggest reason that has been cited by Arvind Kejriwal's legal counsel in court, saying that he already has had 3 orders in his favor, ordering for his release in the past, and on that very merit, he should be given bail today. Of course, the hearing that is taking place, we'll keep our viewers updated on the same. For the moment, thank you very much, Rishabh, Bhavtosh and Tetri, for joining in. But we focus on other stories.